So this kind of question is very frequent in banking exam. So you should know them how to solve easily, because whenever you read this question for your first time, if you are in meeting them in exam, you're reading them, so you tend to confuse yourself. So you should once discuss this question. It's important. It's kind of order and ranking based, but it's slightly different, and we will discuss this. So in exam you're not confused anymore, and you can solve this question easily. And the chances of coming question in reasoning is very high. This kind of question do come. If not this one, then they will give you some reasoning question based on finding the order, or maybe between people. So you should see our other video on top of this post. I have already made it, and you can save little more time and use that anywhere else in your exam. So what's given is how many people are first available here for discussion: B, F, J, K, W. So each of them have different weight. F is heavier than only J. This is very important point. So whenever it's given F is heavier than only this, or maybe this and this, so it specifies the definite position of someone. So what is this someone? So F, it means, is only heavier than J. It means J is the least J is the only lightest person, and F is the second heaviest. This is fixed. If by chance if it's given, see this question, because this question consists of both the thing. B is heavier than F and W, but not as heavy as K. So it's given B is heavier than B is heavier than F and W, but not as heavy as K. So anyway we know this, and it's given that they are heavier than F and W. F and W, right? So if you see this, as we have mentioned, only F is heavier than only J. We have already mentioned that F has to be the second lightest. So what will happen with this confusion? You will erase this. You have only one alternative to put W here. So the right order is this: K is the heaviest, so third heaviest is W. So W is the right answer. So if it's given that B is lighter than only K, then it means K will be the heaviest. If by chance in some other questions you get that word, so the only define some position, it's very important, and it will give you a hint. Thank you. So whenever you find such questions, you should emphasize more on heavy only, and then draw your chart accordingly. And you know why I drew this? Because it's already says that it's only heavier than J. So it means J is the lightest, then this is the second lightest. And here it says whatever the confusion we had between W and F was resolved by this thing only. So you should use the word only frequently. And thank you. If you like the video, please like our Facebook page, and you can like this video as well, or post in comment section if you have any questions, or any typical question which you are not getting in exam. But you should use this. You should try to find some questions and practice them and get used to it, because this is very scoring, and sometimes if you see it for the first time, you can confuse between them, what is only, and then you start thinking. So you should see this video once again if you are having any doubt.